dito po sa ating part 2 ng collab vlog with a professional social media manager, Mr. Perez of Sunstar Davao. Kung hindi nyo pa po napanood yung ating part 1, i-click nyo lang po ang card na to o kaya ay hanapin dito sa channel natin yung previous video. Sa previous vlog din po natin ay nagkaroon din po tayo ng short quiz. Kaya naman, watch until the end of this video to finally know the correct answers. In the meantime, let us continue learning from our guest tungkol pa rin po sa fake news. So, Sir Ace, ano naman yung mga advantages ng social media? Marami nang gumagamit ng social media. Ano po yung mga pwede naming maitulong sa pamamagitan ng social media?
Well, social media, no question, is very helpful, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is only a matter of how people will use social media or will use internet during these times. Will they use it for the good or will they use it for the bad? The decision is actually ours. Now, what are the advantages, what are the benefits that social media and the internet brings during this pandemic? One is it connects, of course, people. During this pandemic, our government told us to stay at home because it's dangerous outside. We can potentially get the virus from roaming around our community nowadays. So when staying at home, it's actually a good idea for those individuals, for those residents who are living with their parents, who are living with their families, friends, and loved ones. But how about those people living alone? It can be lonely, it can be very depressing, it can trigger anxieties. And through social media, we can cope up with these challenges that the pandemic is giving us. We can ask our loved ones, our families, our friends, if how are they doing, how are they holding up during the pandemic, and also we can give update also to ourselves to them. And communication and conversation is very important during these days as we face challenges brought by the COVID-19 pandemic. Also, social media is one effective tool in information dissemination. There's TV, there's radio, there's print. And also, with social media, it augments our the ability of the government and the concerned agencies to spread awareness and to spread reliable information about a certain topic, about a certain issue. And of course, especially now during enhanced community quarantines, there's a lot of orders, there's a lot of guidelines that people should follow and should not do. So through social media, people get informed quickly. And kasi yung sa social media, sa internet, malaki yung scope, malaki yung reach na maaabot niya compared to other forms or medium of information like the traditional media. When social media, especially now, it's heavily used by the population. And of course, social media, it gives us access to services like telemedicine, like food delivery. Diba, during this pandemic, patients and sick people are told or are discouraged to visit hospitals because it's a high-risk area, considered a high-risk area during this pandemic. But we can still access our needs, our medical necessities through online, through telemedicine. It's a new medical norm that a lot of hospitals and healthcare facilities are practicing during this pandemic. Also, food delivery, if you do not want or if you want to lessen your exposure outside, you can actually get your stuff or your food delivered to your houses, and that minimizes your exposure outside where the virus is. So social media really is important and playing a great role during this pandemic. It's only a matter of how people use it. So instead of sharing fake news, why not do this instead? Like connect to people, converse with them, inform the people through sharing verified information.
Ano naman po yung mga disadvantages ng social media? Maliban sa fake news, ano pa ba ang mga dapat naming iwasan?
Okay, aside from not sharing fake news online, what are the other things that we shouldn't do in order to help create a healthy online environment? First is do not make uneducated rants. Always, if you want to speak up, if you want to express your opinions, your thoughts about a certain topic or a certain issue or about a certain official, make sure that you research first, you read a lot of articles, a lot of resources, and make sure that those information are reliable, are verified information from reliable sources. Next is stop cyberbullying or stop bashing people online. It doesn't help. Okay, try to put yourself to the shoes sa mga binabash. Diba? Kung ikaw kaya yung binabash, ano yung mafe-feel mo? Diba? It doesn't feel good. It's not healthy for your well-being. So might as well not do it. Might as well not do it because it's not good. Next is always practice a healthy online discussion, meaning always be polite, always be kind, always when you interact with people online, always be good. Parang nasa real world ka na, dapat diba we're good people, we should be kind because it goes an extra mile to be kind and to be good online. So diba, there's already enough negativity in our world today, especially during this pandemic, and we do not want to add up to that. So before posting online, before sharing whatever information or whatever piece online, always ask yourself first, will this help or will this cause more problem or will this make the problem worse, diba? So kung hindi naman nakakabuti, so wag na lang natin i-share, wag na natin i-post. Redirect your energies to sharing good vibes, to sharing inspiring stories, to helping our community, and to spreading verified information from reliable sources. In that way, we are making ourselves not just a responsible netizen, but a responsible citizen, a responsible Filipino. Okay, a piece of advice in order for us not to become victims of fake news: always be skeptical. Whenever you see or watch or hear something online, always question it. Was it really reliable? Is it really verified information? That means that do not believe everything you see or you hear online right away. Always question it and verify information. Respect the process of verification. And of course, the bottom line here is always use social media for the good.
Thank you so much, Sir Ace, for gracing our vlog. Ang dami po naming natutunan tungkol po sa kung paano po ba i-distinguish o i-identify kung ano yung fake news. And para po sa mga nag-aabang ng tamang sagot para sa ating short quiz, eto na po ang mga answers. So, what's your score? Let me know in the comment section below by sharing your scores if you have perfect score, passing score, or if you failed the test. Anyway, thank you so much po sa ating professional social media manager na guest para sa vlog na to. Thank you so much, Sir Ace Perez, for gracing our vlog. Alam ko marami pong natutunan yung mga nanonood sa vlog na to. Sana po ay i-share nyo rin po ang vlog na to, ang part 1 and part 2 sa mga friends nyo upang hindi na po sila mabiktima ng fake news. Alam ko po, kilala ko po kung sino yung mga madalas na nabibiktima ng fake news. Kaya naman, panahon na upang maiwasan natin ang mga ganitong klase ng pambibiktima ng fake news. Until our next vlog, mommies, thank you so much for watching and for being with us sa part 1 and part 2. Ano nga ba yung mga gusto nyo pang mapanood dito sa ating vlog? I-comment nyo lang din po sa baba. Thank you so much! Ingat!